Hi learners. In previous video we learnt about node name, node value and node type, right? And previous siblings and next siblings. So let's see an example where we can use all these, like we cover almost all instance properties in one example. Let's get some knowledge. I'll take one div element, okay, which has ID as usual Tony Raymond. And there is a one more header, like let's say it's a first header, and there is one more header, second header, and there is a paragraph, and there is a last div element. We don't need ID, last div, and this is a first div. Okay, these are elements, div element, h1, h1p and div. Okay, I'll quickly take the first child of a body. I'll store it in a div variable, document dot get, okay, document dot body dot first element child. Okay, I'll print to let you know what it is. See, it's a div Tony, the first div. Okay, while okay, I'll take a different name. Let's say it's a yearly for better understanding. While yearly, okay, while yearly, I'll print. Okay, instead of printing, okay, I'll print only console dot log of yearly dot node name. Okay, after that, I'll use el equal to yearly dot next sibling. Okay, let's see our output. In a console, it print like the div. First one will be div, right? See, the first one will be div, but why it's printing the text? Because it has a spaces after this div. It will consider it as text node. Then after that h1, then text nodes the space, then h1 the space and the paragraph and the space and the last div and the space, and there is a script tag. Okay, these are elements. Okay, like that we can use a previous sibling by accessing a last element child here. Okay, and we can print the values of the elements. Okay, what's our output? The first div. Okay, and it occurs error. Why? Okay, because okay, I'll tell after this. First element sibling. Okay, see ya. Our output is first div. Okay, and the first header, and there is a second header, and there is a paragraph, and there is a last div. Okay, according to our HTML page. After this, there is a script tag. I am printing the value of that script tag. See, I'm printing the old code that I wrote in our JavaScript. Previously it thrown error. Why? Because I used here next sibling, not the next element sibling, so that it will get a text node. Text node. As I said, there is a space, there is a text node. You don't have a value, right? That's why it's print like undefined. We can't read the properties of that. Okay. I think you like the example and you will definitely learn all the instance properties by practicing this example. If you guys really like the video and if you guys really want to learn JavaScript for our web development, do subscribe to my channel and check the playlist for that in my description. Thank you.